Американский офицер разведки дал интервью АЛЛАТРА ТВ и сказал одну очень важную вещь.
For example, the official reports by the United States Commission of the International Religious Freedom have noted that Russia actually utilized so-called anti-cult networks, such as the structures associated with the Russian organization RACERS, which is Russian Association of Centers on Studies, Religions and Sects or cults, led by Alexander Dworkin, as well as the European organization called FACRIS, to stigmatize disfavored actually groups, both domestically and internationally.
Иногда достаточно одного слова, чтобы изменить отношение миллионов людей.
And open source intelligence research conducted by our analytical center likewise indicated that actually under the pretext of protecting societies from cults or sects, certain anti-cult networks have actively actually promoted Kremlin narratives, demonizing Ukraine and attempting to legitimize the Russian invasion to Ukraine under the rhetoric of the satanization.
Mm-hmm. Satanization, yeah. I mean,
Because
then you have to ask the question, where's the proof that there is Satanization? Right? How much is that in Ukrainian society is there compared to other societies? I'm sure there are some, what do we call them, Satanists in Ukraine, like there are in every country, but I would suspect it's a very small number, right? And so if I'm in a think tank in Europe or the United States and someone comes and says, we need to do de-Satanization of Ukraine, I'd want to say, okay, give me the numbers, let's see the facts, and then I'll decide whether we're going to throw our support behind your effort. And by the way, if you really look, you may say, actually, there's more of that in Russia than there is in Ukraine. Maybe we should focus on de-Satanization in Russia. Because who behaves this way? Who bombs apartment buildings? Who bombs schools, right? Who attacks another country and openly says that that country doesn't exist, right? That, in my opinion, is satanic. When you try and claim that you have the right to eliminate another people, that's what the Nazis did, and that's what's happening today in Russia. And by the way, that's what the Iranian regime was doing to its neighbors, right? To me, that's satanic behavior.
Задумывался ли ты, как формируется образ врага?